I asked Claude to help me get customers for my own real business, and it handed back one confident-sounding plan. Pricing, positioning, and outreach, all decided in the same breath, with no way to check any one part without redoing the whole thing. That's the plan I almost acted on. I'll use that business, RecruiterOps, as the worked example, not a pitch. What I'm showing you is how to split a decision like this into pieces you can check one at a time, before a bad guess about pricing or positioning costs you a real prospect. Before you decompose anything, use one test at every boundary. What has to be true before the next step can start? Each stage becomes one bounded agent with one job. 6 roles are always present. 2 more, designing a new offer and picking distribution channels, only get added when the evaluation actually needs them. First candidate role, decide how to talk about it and reach people. Ask what has to be true before the next step starts, and it splits. Positioning needs the confirmed pain as its input. Channel needs the positioning as its input. 2 different decisions, stapled into one job, rejected as a single role. 7 roles ended up active for RecruiterOps go-to-market: business needs, positioning, channel strategy, market validation, monetization, implementation, and quality and decision review. Each one hands its output to the next as input. Nothing moves forward until the handoff is ready. 2 human approval gates, named by what's actually being decided, not by position in the list. Gate 1, approve spending real outreach effort on named prospects, because a bad first impression doesn't undo. Gate 2, approve executing the plan, because that's real budget and public visibility. Second test, a completely different evaluation. Should I turn my own production skill into a paid product? This time Opportunity Designer activates, because there's an actual new offer to design, not just an existing one to talk about. 8 roles this time, not 7. The shape held. Only which roles were active changed. Both tests saved into one architecture map. 6 roles always present, 2 conditional, 2 gates named by decision content, and the same 4-part shape for every role: input, process, output, handoff. Drop in your own evaluation and the shape doesn't change. Only which roles switch on. You don't need 6 roles crammed onto every evaluation. You need the test, what has to be true before the next step starts, applied honestly, even when it means splitting a role you wanted to keep simple. Run your own evaluation through this same test, and save the 4-part shape as your own agent-team-architecture.md before you build anything.